My dear friends, good morning, one and all. Today I would like to speak about Nari Shakti Vandan Abhinayam. Nari Shakti means woman power or woman empowerment. It's a great pleasure to speak on this topic because I am also a girl. So I would like to speak some few words on this. And Nari Shakti Vandan Abhiyan means giving opportunity for the women in the political career. Women are really capable for everything, and we can see women who are participating in the education and healthcare and the service sectors, but there was little participation in the political career. So the government decided to give 33% of reservation for the women to participate in the political and to prove themselves in the political career. And on September 2023, the one that according to the 106 amendment, the government decided to give 33% of reservation for the women to participate in the political career, and the central government has given a chance for the women, and there were little problems in implementing the Nari Shakti Vandan Abhiyan scheme because there was a population issue that the census has been done in India. For every year, the census should be done in India. In 2000, according to the 2011 census, we cannot. In 2021, the census should be done in India, but there was, according to the corona, the census has been not done. So they are decided to do the census in now, and when we compare, according to the 2011 census, the seats for the South India would be less, and the seats for North India will be more because the Uttar Pradesh population was literally 20 crores above, so the seats would be increased for the state was more. So if the central, if any government would get get these seats of Uttar Pradesh or Assam, they will form the central government. So according to these, the South India was not accepting that this 33% of reservation would not be given according to the 2011 census, and so thanks for giving this opportunity, and it's a great pleasure to speak in front of all these legends, and thank you.